Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create live sales pop-up notifications in Shopify. These notifications are a powerful way to build trust with your customers by displaying real-time purchase activity, creating social proof that encourages visitors to make their own purchases. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now take a look at the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is your control center for all the backend configurations of your Shopify store. Within the Settings menu, you'll see several options on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to access your app management area. From here, click on Shopify App Store. This will open up a new interface where you can browse thousands of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar at the top, type Sales Pop-up and hit Enter. You'll see a variety of apps appear that can handle this feature. For this tutorial, we're going to use an app called Shopify Sales Pop-up and Proof, which is reliable and user-friendly. Find it in the results and click on it. Once you're on the app's page, click the Install button. This will redirect you to a new tab where the app requests permission to access some of your personal and store data. Don't worry, this is standard for Shopify apps and necessary for the app to function properly. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. The page might show a loading indicator, so just be patient while Shopify integrates the app into your store's system. Once the installation is done, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard. Here, click on Create New Campaign. This is where you'll set up your first sales pop-up notification. From the campaign types available, click on Sales Pop. This specific type displays recent purchase notifications to your site visitors. Now comes the fun part, customization. You'll see options to edit the look-back days, which determines how far back the app will pull order data from. You can also check the box to import any order status and sort orders randomly to make the notifications appear more natural. Under Product Filter, you have three choices. All products include products or exclude products. For this example, we'll select all products to display notifications for every item sold in your store. Next, click on the Settings tab. This is where you can fine-tune the behavior of your pop-ups. You can edit the message that appears in the notification, customize the fallback customer name and fallback location for when real data isn't available, and adjust the number of pop-ups per page. You can also control the time between each pop-up, the duration each notification stays visible, and the delay before the first pop shows. These settings help you balance visibility with user experience so your pop-ups don't become annoying. After that, click on the Positioning and Display options. Here you can choose where on the page the pop-up appears, such as the bottom left or bottom right corner, and whether it shows on mobile devices. Now click on the Styles tab. This is where you can really make the pop-up match your brand. You can choose from different templates and customize colors, fonts, and the overall styling of the notification to ensure it blends seamlessly with your store's design. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click the Save button at the top of the page. This will save all your settings and prepare your campaign to go live. Now click on Activate Extension and Theme. This step is crucial because it integrates the app into your active Shopify theme. You'll be redirected to the theme editor, so wait a moment while it loads. Once the theme editor is open, scroll down to the section labeled App Embeds on the left side. Make sure that the Sale Kit toggle is enabled. This allows the pop-up notifications to actually display on your storefront. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right corner to apply all changes. And that's it, you've successfully set up live sales pop-up notifications in Shopify, adding a dynamic element that can boost conversions and build customer confidence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.